So hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. This is your Arindam sir and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Revision Learning. So this is your second episode of the most important daily current affairs. Yesterday we have done the current affairs of 1st June. So today, without wasting any time, we will go to the current affairs of 2nd June. So let's see what is going through India and the world with our today's most important daily current affairs, 2nd June 2020. Let's start. SBI has created a separate vertical to focus on financial inclusion and micromarkets, FI and MM. Under this plan, about 8,000 branches in rural and semi-urban areas have been identified to provide specialized services to the micro segment. R.K. Chaturvedi has assumed charge as Secretary in the Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers. Bobby Marrow, American sprinter who won 3 gold medals at the 1956 Olympic Games in Melbourne, has passed away. The Indian Meteorological Department (IMD) has issued a red alert for Maharashtra and Gujarat for 4th June 2020 due to the cyclonic storm Nisarga in the Arabian Sea. World Health Organization (WHO) has launched the COVID-19 Technology Access Pool (CTAP). PM Narendra Modi launched technology-based solution named Champions for MSME sector on 1st June. Centre has approved Rs 175 crore for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission in Meghalaya during 2020-21 session. The government has set a target to provide Kisan Credit Card to 1 crore 50 lakhs dairy farmers from June to 31st July 2020. DRDO has developed a disinfection unit named Ultra Swatch. For your information, let me share you with the full form of DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. The headquarters is in New Delhi. Employees Provident Fund Organization EPFO has released Rs 868 crore pension along with Rs 105 crore arrears on account of restoration of commuted value of pension. Sanjeev Guratia is the new AESI, Aeronautical Society of India, Chandigarh. The researchers at the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute have found a rare fish from Sethukarai coast of Tamil Nadu. June 2nd is celebrated every year as Telangana Formation Day. Lieutenant General Manoj Pandey has taken over as the 15th Commander-in-Chief of the Andaman and Nicobar Command, SINCAN. Dutch internet-based computer file transfer service provider WeTransfer has been banned by the Department of Telecom. The Sports Authority of India (SAI) has launched Khelo India E-Pathshala in association with National Sports Federations on 1st June 2020. And last but not the least, the IIT Guwahati students have developed a contactless mobile application to ease air traveling for passengers amid this COVID-19 crisis. So that's it for today everyone. We will bring up all the important daily current affairs of 3rd June in our next video. Till then, stay safe and subscribe to Revision Learning.